Lost you there for a second. What do we got here? Got some holes drilled in the side. I don't have a key for it. So I guess let's see what's in number 1. Standard. Number 2 is a standard. 3 is a standard. Imagine that. Anybody guess what number 4 is? A standard. And number 5 is a standard. Let's see what we got inside of here. And number 1 is a standard. Number 2, can anybody guess? A standard. And 3rd, holy cow, it's a standard. All right, let's spin her around. Get rid of those. All right, get those springs out. Number 5 is a standard, and number 4 is a standard. Well, that was that. All right, cool. We're pushing for 250 subscribers. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to announce it next week. Stay tuned. And when we hit 500, I got a big giveaway. So keep watching and subscribe and like.